So I'm assuming you have explored Wextly a bit at this point. Maybe you scroll through the website having a look at all the different features, or maybe you watched the demo of the software on YouTube, or maybe you have started a free plan as well, like a free trial account, and you're wondering, like, this looks good. How much does it actually cost? Like, how much will I have to invest? Which plan is going to be the right one for me? If you have actually tried out the software and now you want to invest into a paid plan so that you can actually get the results which you want. Our pricing is pretty simple, it's pretty transparent, and again, we made the software extremely affordable for every business, regardless of the size. I'll basically go through all the different features and everything we have to offer in all the different plans, how much does it cost, so that you can see which one is going to be the right fit for you and make a well-informed decision into like making a better investment for your business. So if you want to pay yearly, we provide you a 40% discount. So if you want to do that, you can simply click on the chat widget which is going to be there at the bottom right corner of the screen and simply leave an inquiry saying that yes, you are interested in getting like Wextly at a 40% discount. So that should have you covered. So yeah, if you basically pay for the entire year upfront, then we provide you a massive discount because that's a big commitment on your end. So you want to provide you an incentive for the same. So the first plan is going to be the free plan where you basically get access to an account which you can use absolutely free of course without giving us your credit card information. And this is created because if you watch my content on YouTube for a while, you obviously trust me. But if you're like a stranger or you just found out about this platform, you will be kind of skeptical and thinking like, will this actually work? So we want you to try it out at absolutely zero cost, see how good it actually is, and once you have tried it out, once you've seen that it actually can produce results, then you can like invest into a paid plan. And that is going to be a much easier decision for you once you have actually seen the platform works. So the free plan has access to all the features. We do not gatekeep anything. We provide you unlimited access to everything. You still get access to our anti-ban technology. You still get access to account rotation, and it's still going to be cloud-based. We won't say that, yo bro, you like signed up for a free trial account so use this stupid Chrome extension instead of the cloud-based software. We will allow you to insert like personalization and spin tags in your campaigns. We will provide you access to the API to build automations using Anytime, Make, Zapier, whatever. We will provide you access to chatbots. We will provide you access to create campaigns. We will allow you to upload unlimited leads. The only constraint over here is going to be how many phone numbers you can connect for like basically sending out the WhatsApp messages and how many messages you can send out. So this is one account which we have created. It's like an account of my business partner. So this is what a sample account looks like. Over here, you can see how many messages the person has sent every single month. So these are how many messages he has sent out this month. And these are how many messages he can send out this month. So total number of messages. So this is close to like 10 trillion messages, which is a lot. Like no one can actually send more than 10 trillion messages. So yeah, it's basically unlimited messages at this point. If you ever have sent out like more than 10 trillion messages and you're thinking like we're like limiting you, firstly reach out to me and let me know how the frick are you sending like 10 trillion messages with WhatsApp, and I will personally increase the account limit. So don't worry, you get access to unlimited messages. What you're going to see over here, if you're in the free plan, is this number is going to be 50. So you won't be able to send more than 50 messages every single month. And the reason we have added that constraint is because we're not running a charity. We made this offer so that we can charge you $1 and then you make like 10, 15, $20 out of it. That's the entire purpose, but we don't want to run a charity where we're creating software for free because it costs us money as well. So the purpose of a free trial account is just like you can try it out and see it actually works, and then you can invest into a paid plan. So that's going to be the only constraint. And the next constraint is going to be like over here. If you come to account manager, you can see all of the different phone numbers which are connected over here, all the different WhatsApp numbers. So you can see we have like 3 different profiles connected over here, but you will only be able to connect one profile. You won't be able to have like multiple accounts connected and everything. And yeah, that's going to be the constraint of the free plan. The next plan is going to be startup plan, where most people start at because they want to see like, can this actually work? And then they invest into it. Then they see a couple of meetings booked and then they're like very thrilled that yeah, I actually want to use it. So the startup plan is going to be $29 a month only, and it has like access to everything. So everything is unlimited. You can send unlimited messages, like no 50 message limit every single month. You will get access to unlimited leads. You can create unlimited campaigns to reach out to, and yeah, basically you get access to all the features, unlimited everything. The only constraint over here is going to be how many WhatsApp numbers you can connect for sending out the messages. So over here, you will only be able to connect like 3 different numbers in the starter plan. So that's going to be the constraint of the same. So if you're connecting one WhatsApp number, what we've seen is you can easily book like 1 to 3 calls a day per number. So this should easily be getting you like 3 to 5, maybe 6 calls every single day. So if you're like the only person who is taking sales calls and you want a couple of meetings a day, this should have you sorted. Like this will be more than enough for most people. But let's say you have 1 or 2 people in your company who take sales calls and you want to like actually scale it and you're like serious about your growth, then you can opt in for the growth plan. And over here, the only constraint is going to be that you can like upload, like you can connect 10 different numbers. So in the starter plan, you can connect 3 numbers. In the growth plan, you can click on that WhatsApp profile and connect up to 10 different phone numbers. So you can scan the QR code or you can log in with the pairing code and then you will have access to the different things. So yeah, that's going to be the only constraint. You get access to unlimited everything. And if you have like 10 numbers connected, you should be booking at least 10 meetings a day. So this is for people who have like 1 to 3 people taking sales calls in their company. So this should be enough and adequate for you if you're using like the growth plan. So this is going to be the place where most people are actually going to end up at. Most people are going to be probably using it. But if you're extremely ambitious and you're like, yo bro, I want to scale my company, I want more than 10 meetings a day, then you can opt in for the unlimited plan where there are absolutely no limits. So you can connect like unlimited WhatsApp numbers. You can connect like unlimited numbers to send unlimited messages to unlimited leads and run unlimited campaigns at the same time. So yeah, you get access to all the features. There are no limits, like no limits on how many numbers you can connect, how many messages you can send and everything. So yeah, the unlimited plan is going to be just like $99 a month. I know, again, very affordable. And the lifetime deal of it, if you want to pay just once and use it forever instead of paying for it every single month, it's going to be just $1,999. So this is going to get you rid of all the different monthly fees you have to pay. You can just pay this once and use it forever. Now the next plan we have is in case you're interested in white labeling a service. Like this is for those people. Like by the way, like all these plans, like both these plans are absolutely same. The unlimited plan, it's just like how much you have to pay. So over here, you just pay it for it once, and over here, you pay for it every single month. So the features and everything, it's going to be the same. White label plan is for those who want to actually like rebrand our software and they want to sell it as their software to their own customers or to other people on the internet. Maybe you have like a YouTube channel or you have like a company and you can just be interested in selling the software to others. That's the white label plan. And it's an absolute no-brainer because not only you get unlimited access to everything, which is included in the $99 a month plan, you have to pay just like $199 a month and you can provide unlimited access to unlimited users. So you can like make like freaking thousands of dollars from it. And you just have to pay us $199 a month. You don't pay us every time you create like a new user in your software. So you pay like $199 a month to us once every single month. And we give you a software which has like the unlimited plan. So all these features are there for you to use. But at the same time, you will get resale rights to the same. Which means you can like create unlimited users as written over here. So you can create basically like unlimited user accounts. I'll show you what it looks like. So I'll go back to the admin mode over here so that you can see what the admin mode of the software looks like. So you can see like over here, if you come to the users part, the membership part, you can see all the different pricing plans you have created. So you can create like different pricing plans. You can customize it. You can like see how many different like numbers they can connect. Like you can see like we allow people to connect these many WhatsApp numbers on the unlimited plan. You can see like what all you allow on WhatsApp, how many messages you allow people to send every single month. So you can configure all of these different things. You can set up like a free trial and everything as well. And then you can come to users and you can create unlimited users. You get access to the admin API as well, which you can use to create like users. You can use it to create users. You can create to delete users, to like basically update user contacts, everything as well. So yeah, that's going to be the admin API thing over here. So yeah, that's going to basically like they will provide you the entire dashboard like this. You can create all the different membership plans. You can create users. You can provide access to your users. And over here, instead of our logo, your logo is going to be there. Instead of our domain over here, which is waoutreach.com, this is going to be your domain. So let's say your domain is john.com. This is going to say like app.john.com, or you can directly connect like john.com as well. So yeah, over here, you will have access to your own domain. Here, it will have your own branding and yeah, like your own name as well. So if I go over to this in an incognito window, over here, it says like Wextly, right? So over here, instead of Wextly, it's going to have your exact domain, sorry, your exact name over here. So basically it's like your own software, it's your own platform, and we allow you to white label it. So your customers never know I'm the one who created it, I'm the one who's providing you access to the same, and they think like, yeah, you're the one who has built it. And you can connect it using like make.com, and whatever. So it's pretty easy to connect, and we provide you like free cloud hosting as well. So you don't have to pay a penny extra apart from it. So let's say you are interested in this. What you do is simply invest into it. You pay the $199 a month. What you have to do after that is simply you just provide us access to your domain so that we can make changes, so that we can connect your domain to our software. If you're not comfortable with that, I totally understand. You don't have to do it. You just like enter the exact records we ask you to create. So you can do that on your own as well if you're not interested in sharing access to the same, or we can get on a call and we can do it live with you. After we have connected your own domain to our software, you send us your logo and your name, and we update it so that the software looks like you. We will set up your entire infrastructure in the cloud, and we will provide you access to the cloud as well. So yeah, we will create like the cloud hosting platform, everything for you. We will host it as well. You don't have to worry about fees. You don't have to worry about setting it up. We will set it up for you. You don't have to do anything. And this will be set up in 24 hours max. And yeah, we will do all of the work for you. Absolutely free, of course, no extra charge for this. We'll also self-host N10. N10 is a platform which most people use. So if you want to use N10.io, which is what we use for creating the automation. For example, my website for the software which you're like, which you're watching this on probably. So this is a form in Go High Level. That's where I have created my website. So what I wanted to do was create an automation so that whenever someone submits a form, a new user is created and we provide him access to the same using API of our platform. That is possible. And for that we use like N10 to create it. So if you want help using N10, I will help you out as well if you want to like automate it and everything. And yeah, so the problem with N10 is it kind of starts to get expensive when you want like more stuff. So yeah, like this plan is going to be enough for most people, but because we are already paying for hosting, there is something known as like self-host. Like I don't know where it is, but there's something known as self-hosting in N10, where basically you can like host N10 on your server and then you get unlimited access. Because we will be providing cloud hosting, you will get access to N10 as well. You can host it on your own cloud server and you get access to it for basically creating unlimited automations. So that's the white label plan. If you have any questions or any queries related to all the different pricing models, simply click on the like there will be a chat widget at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply click on that and reach out to us. I'll be more than happy to help you out. So yeah, I hope I explained all of these pricing models well. Invest in the one which makes the most sense for you.